Switzerland, a landlocked country nestled amidst the majestic Alps, is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and charming villages. But beyond its picturesque scenery lies a culinary landscape equally captivating. Swiss cuisine, often overlooked, offers a delightful symphony of flavors, blending hearty mountain fare with sophisticated European influences. From the iconic cheese fondue to the world-renowned chocolate, Swiss gastronomy tantalizes taste buds and leaves a lasting impression. The use of fresh, locally sourced ingredients combined with time-honored recipes results in dishes that are both comforting and refined. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or an adventurous eater, Swiss cuisine promises a unique and unforgettable culinary journey. So let's embark on this delectable adventure and explore the iconic dishes and culinary traditions that make Switzerland a true food lover's paradise. The key to a perfect fondue lies in the quality of the cheese. Selecting the right cheese is crucial to achieving that rich, creamy texture and delightful flavor that makes fondue so special. Traditionally, Swiss cheeses such as Gruyère, Emmental, and Vacherin Fribourgeois are used. These cheeses are renowned for their melting properties and distinct flavors, each contributing its unique flavor and texture to the creamy concoction. Gruyère adds a nutty, slightly sweet taste. Emmental brings a mild, buttery flavor. And Vacherin Fribourgeois offers a rich, creamy consistency. White wine, typically a dry and crisp variety, is added to the melted cheese. This not only enhances the flavor, but also helps to achieve the perfect consistency, lending a subtle acidity and helping to create a smooth and velvety consistency. The wine's acidity balances the richness of the cheese, making each bite a harmonious blend of flavors. A touch of garlic rubbed on the inside of the pot adds a hint of savory aroma. This simple step infuses the fondue with a delicate garlic flavor that complements the cheese perfectly. The fondue ritual is as important as the dish itself. It's a social event bringing people together to share in the joy of communal dining. Diners gather around the pot, armed with long-stemmed forks, ready to dip and savor each bite. They dip pieces of crusty bread into the molten cheese, enjoying the interactive and communal nature of the meal. It's considered bad etiquette to lose your bread in their pot, as it disrupts the flow of the meal and can be a bit embarrassing. So a steady hand and a bit of skill are required. Mastering the art of dipping without losing your bread is part of the fun and challenge of enjoying fondue.
Section 5. The Legacy of Swiss Chocolate, a Story of Innovation. This chapter delves into the rich history and groundbreaking advancements that have shaped Swiss chocolate into the global phenomenon it is today. The history of Swiss chocolate is intertwined with innovation. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a luxury treat, Swiss chocolate has always been at the forefront of culinary creativity.
In 1879, Rodolphe Lindt revolutionized the chocolate industry with the invention of the conching machine, a process that transformed chocolate from a gritty texture to the smooth and velvety treat we know and love today. This invention was a game changer, setting a new standard for chocolate quality.
Swiss chocolatiers continued to push the boundaries of chocolate making, experimenting with new flavors, ingredients, and techniques. They introduced innovations such as milk chocolate, pralines, and truffles, each adding a new dimension to the chocolate experience. Today, Switzerland is home to some of the world's most innovative and award-winning chocolatiers, who continue to delight chocolate lovers with their creations. These artisans blend tradition with modern techniques to create chocolates that are both timeless and contemporary.
Visiting a traditional Swiss chocolate factory is an experience in itself. It's a journey through time, where you can see how age-old methods are still used alongside cutting-edge technology. You can witness the chocolate-making process firsthand, from the roasting of the cocoa beans to the molding of the finished product. Each step is a testament to the skill and passion of the chocolatiers, and of course no visit is complete without sampling some of the delectable creations. Tasting these chocolates is like savoring a piece of history, each bite telling a story of innovation and excellence.
Section 6, Beyond Fondue and Chocolate, Exploring Culinary Gems. While fondue and chocolate may be the most iconic Swiss culinary exports, the country's gastronomic repertoire extends far beyond these delicacies. Switzerland is a land of culinary diversity, where each region brings its own unique flavors and traditions to the table. From hearty mountain fare to sophisticated city dishes, the Swiss culinary landscape is as varied as its breathtaking scenery. Swiss cuisine offers a diverse range of flavors and culinary experiences, ensuring that there is something to delight every palate. Rosti, a crispy potato pancake, is a national favorite, cherished for its simplicity and versatility, often served as a side dish or a base for other ingredients. Zürcher Geschnetzeltes, a beloved dish from Zurich, features tender slices of veal in a creamy white wine sauce, often accompanied by rosti or noodles. This dish is a testament to Swiss culinary refinement and the country's ability to elevate simple ingredients into gourmet experiences. And let's not forget about Swiss cheese. A cornerstone of Swiss cuisine, beyond the varieties used in fondue, Swiss cheese is celebrated worldwide for its quality and variety. Switzerland boasts over 450 types of cheese, each crafted with care and tradition. Each cheese has its unique flavor profile and regional significance, reflecting the diverse landscapes and cultures of Switzerland. From the pungent Appenzeller to the nutty Tête de Moine, Swiss cheese offers a journey through the country's rich dairy heritage. Swiss cheese is a testament to the country's dairy heritage, a symbol of its commitment to quality and tradition in every bite.
Section 7. Rosti, a crispy potato delight. Rosti, often referred to as the national dish of Switzerland, is a testament to the country's love affair with potatoes. This simple yet satisfying dish is a staple on Swiss tables, enjoyed for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Made with grated potatoes, butter and a pinch of salt, rosti is pan-fried to golden brown perfection, creating a crispy exterior and a soft, fluffy interior. The key to a perfect rosti lies in achieving the right balance of crispiness and tenderness. While traditionally served as a side dish, rosti's versatility knows no bounds. It can be topped with a fried egg for a hearty breakfast, paired with sausage and onions for a satisfying lunch, or served alongside a succulent steak for a complete dinner. Section 8. Zürcher Geschnetzeltes, a taste of Zurich's elegance. Zürcher Geschnetzeltes, a culinary masterpiece hailing from Zurich, embodies the city's sophistication and elegance. This classic dish features thinly sliced veal cooked in a rich and creamy sauce, typically made with white wine, cream, and mushrooms.
The veal, known for its tenderness and delicate flavor, is sautéed to perfection, while the sauce, infused with the earthy aroma of mushrooms and the subtle tang of white wine, adds a layer of complexity and depth. Traditionally served with rosti or spätzle, a type of egg noodle, Zürcher Geschnetzeltes is a true indulgence, showcasing the finesse and artistry of Swiss cuisine.
Section 9. Swiss wine and spirits, the perfect pairing. No culinary journey through Switzerland would be complete without exploring the country's exceptional wine and spirits. While often overshadowed by its French and Italian neighbours, Swiss wine production dates back to Roman times.
The country's diverse terroir, ranging from the shores of Lake Geneva to the slopes of the Alps, allows for the cultivation of a wide variety of grape varieties, resulting in wines that are both unique and expressive. And for those who prefer something a little stronger, Switzerland is renowned for its Kirsch, a clear fruit brandy made from cherries. This potent spirit is often enjoyed as a digestif or used in traditional Swiss desserts.
Section 10. Conclusion, a culinary journey awaits. From the iconic cheese fondue to the world-renowned chocolate, Swiss cuisine offers a delightful symphony of flavors and culinary traditions. Whether you're seeking a taste of tradition, a sophisticated dining experience, or simply a sweet indulgence, Switzerland has something to offer every palate. So why not embark on your own culinary journey through Switzerland? Explore the charming villages, savor the breathtaking scenery, and most importantly, indulge in the delectable cuisine that this hidden gem has to offer. Your taste buds will thank you.